Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. Number 1. Come. They will come after you. They will come after you. Number 2. Do. He would do anything. He would do anything. Number 3. Copy. This is my copy. Fourth. Good. Raman is a good boy. Raman is a good boy. Number 5. Tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is a wild animal. Number 6. Lazy. Rohit was lazy boy. Rohit was lazy boy. Number 7. House. My house is very big. My house is very big. Number 8. Morning. She runs every morning. She runs every morning. Number 9. Sing. Birds sing sweetly. Number 10. Big. India is a big country. India is a big country. Number 11. Song. Ram sing a song. Ram sing a song. Number 12. Talk. She talk too much. She talk too much. Number 13. Tall. This tree is tall. This tree is tall. Number 14. Forest. Animals live in the forest. Animal live in the forest. Number 15. Read. He reads a book. He reads a book. Thanks for watching.